Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I will tell you how to turn on Snapchat notifications. So there are two ways basically. First of all, you have to go into the settings of your mobile phone, then apps and notifications, and here you can search for Snapchat, and then you will tap on notifications, and here you can enable and disable the notifications for Snapchat. And the next way is to actually go into the Snapchat app. Click on your profile icon on to the top left side, then click on gears icon onto the top right side, and here you see this notification option. You can click on this one, and you can enable and disable notifications, even sound ring, all these types of notifications from here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.